is so messy. Oh my God. Bathrooms are just zones of destruction in my house right now. I'm gonna go toss this in the wash. Woo! Managed to get almost everything into the laundry. Biscuits, I don't know about you, but it is crazy how dirty a bathroom kids can make. God, it's like messy in a way that you just don't expect. Oh my goodness, biscuits, so dirty. And like, in just random ways. I will never understand that about being a parent, is how little people can make things so dirty so quickly. Oh, what a nice song. Okay. Grab my trusty, oh, I gotta say, I never talk about this, but one of the best things you can do is buy a big dustpan if you are somebody that needs to tidy a lot, because it will save you so much time. Oh my goodness, I don't know how you monkeys managed to do this. Okay. Mind if I move you over here, biscuit? Sorry, it's a weird angle, but just gonna go with it. Okay. So, first things first, I organized whatever needs to get tidied away. And, hi Sue, throw away the random stuff that needs to get tidied. So I keep this in here actually. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to. Eucalyptus essential oil. So this is great if you're congested. So you biscuits know in May I got bronchitis that turned into pneumonia. And so to help with my respiratory stuff, I was doing just a tiny bit of this, tiny bit, because too many essential oils trigger my asthma, but I was just like anything that would help a little bit. Okay, now I bought this new tool, which is so cool. It's a makeup brush. How cool is that? And I got some of my makeup brushes super dirty. I packed them in this when I went to film on location, and like highlighter. So, oh sorry biscuits. Yeah. So these really need to get moved. I'm gonna jiggle you over here. I'm gonna show you how these work. Excuse the sinks because I have not cleaned them yet. So you just turn on the water. Oh, Herbert, please don't do that. Thank you. So I'm getting these wet. I'm just using some regular soap. And I'm cleaning the handles, which I don't normally do, but because it was in that bag, it's got so dirty. And I'm gonna do one at a time. Massage that shampoo or that soap in. And then you stick your fingers in here. Boom, just like that. And you just clean it. And this works wonders. I'm amazed how dirty my brushes are. Oh my goodness. They've needed a good scrub anyway for a while. And oh my goodness. Hey Biscuit, you need to go hose your clothes off with the hose. They can't go into the washing machine that dirty. So go clean them. That's right, Biscuits. People come into my house covered in mud. If you ever wonder why my house looks always dirty, that's why. Okay, so once it's running clear, then I feel better about it being clean, and I just kind of press it. So I feel like that's totally clean. Hold on, I'm going to give it a little more scrub. And then I'm going to use those little dots to try and scrub up extra anything that's left. So I felt like that was a little bit. And then I just lay it on a plate I have over here. Oh, did you follow my biscuit? You see? Look at all of that that's coming off. And this way, you're getting rid of the bacteria along with the buildup makeup. Did you dry? Okay, so makeup brushes are done. And I'm gonna let the scrubby thing kind of dry. I think you can actually like hang it up on a little hook if you have that, but I don't have that in here. So I'm not going to do a total deep clean because I don't have, hi my darling, all the supplies for that. So my sink though has been clogged for a while now, and I know what clogged it. It was little kids puking into my sink because they ate pizza until they puked. So I'm gonna go grab a brush and some tools. I'm gonna show you one of the ways that I am slowly getting that thing to drain better. It's already finally draining a little bit better, but it still needs a little bit more help in that department. So let me go grab the supplies and I'll give you my tips, my know-hows, my life hacks for cleaning. Hi, my love. Okay, biscuits, these are my tools. Bottle brush. Obviously, this is just by cleaning the house brush. I don't use this on a bottle. My daughter used to take a bottle anyway, but make sure you designate those. Some vinegar, some baking soda. This is a new bottle of vinegar, so I'm gonna open it up. That's how much vinegar we've gone through. Okay, so let me turn you over here. Can you see in the sink there? Let me lift you up a little bit. I feel like you can't quite see it there. So I'm going to sprinkle this around here. Try to get about a tablespoon in there. Okay, no, don't do that. Then I'm going to use this brush to try and get it down in there. Oh, yep, you see why this is clogged. It's the sheer amount of Now obviously you can take the P-trap off and do all of that. I'm just doing this as a quick clean around while I tidy the bathroom. I do recommend getting in there whenever you have a clogged sink, and there's lots of good videos on YouTube actually about how to do that. Okay. Now, all this stuff is down there. Obviously, I'm going to brush away the dirt that I pulled up. And I'm going to pour a little bit of, I'm going to pop you up here, a little bit of vinegar. And you can see that that is helping really get all this stuff up that needed to come up. And it's just a quick way, when you don't have time to do everything else, to unplug that. And I like these bottle brushes because they fit down narrow spots. They help bring up hair that might be in your drain as well. And just getting it all, cleaned up there. Oh yeah. It's so satisfying. I see some hair down there that I want to get while I'm here. There we go. And then obviously I'm not going to wash that back down the sink, so I'm going to grab a paper towel or just even some toilet paper. Because that's just what I have handy. You know me, one of my philosophies is use what you have handy in your house, right? Don't make a big deal about it. Just find stuff that'll work. Let me see if I can show you that sink better. Can you see that? There you go. So this was all nasty gunk in my sink, clogging it up, making my sink sad. Okay, toss that. Let's fill up the sink and check how it's draining. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to do a little scrub rub back in there. Okay, so we filled it up. It's draining beautifully. It just instantly drains. It does what a sink drain should, which is actually drain. I love that. So it's simple, right? Small things. You probably have baking soda vinegar in your house anyway. I'm just stealing out my bag. And it makes such a difference when you're trying to clean to just use stuff you have. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick wipe down, and boom, got little tiny detail stuff around the back and done. Alright, biscuits, I'm gonna finish cleaning the bath after everybody gets their showers. Don't break the shower door, thank you, because it's a little chaotic here. But I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, click on over to Patreon. Boop! Come check out all our self-care and burlesque on there. And don't forget, follow along on Instagram, because I have so much fun over there. I'll see you in the next video.